How to send Bitcoin with Lightning Network on Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to send Bitcoin using the Lightning Network on Cash App. The first step is to download an app that supports Lightning Network payments. The one I'm using in this tutorial is called ZBD. You can find it in the App Store and install it. Once the installation is complete, open the ZBD app, just like you can see here. Next, go to the bottom menu, where you will see two options, Send and Receive. Tap on the option labeled Receive. You will then land on a new page. Here, you need to enter the amount of Bitcoin you would like to receive. After entering the amount, tap on the Next button. This next page shows the amount you'll receive over the Lightning Network. Tap on the option Create Invoice. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Once the invoice is created, a page will appear displaying a QR code linked to your Lightning address. You can either scan the code or tap the Copy button to copy the address. I will go ahead and copy it and do the same too. Now, open the Cash App mobile application. From the home page, tap the bank icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will take you to the Money section of Cash App. Scroll down and navigate to the Explore section. Under this section, tap on the option labeled Bitcoin. You will land on a page with several Bitcoin-related options. From these, tap on the icon with two arrows, one pointing up and the other down. A menu will appear from the bottom of the screen with two options, Send and Receive. Tap on Send. On the next page, enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to send, then tap Next. Now, you'll be asked to paste the Lightning address you copied earlier, paste it into the input field provided, tap Send to proceed. Finally, a confirmation screen will appear. Carefully review the amount and the recipient address. If everything is correct, tap Confirm to complete the transaction. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you solve the issue you were facing. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to send Bitcoin with Lightning Network on Cash App.